one of the most demanding state in PG medical admissions in Uttar Pradesh. The reason is that the fee structure in Uttar Pradesh in non-minority colleges are comparatively low. The student, if their rank is comparatively medium, they can also get a good branch. So let's start with Uttar Pradesh cutoff in a premium PG medical branches. Students, my name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Career Mudra, Bangalore. Today, I will discuss with you regarding radiology cutoff and fee structures in Uttar Pradesh private colleges. Before starting into that, I will tell you in Uttar Pradesh private colleges, there are two types of seats there. One is recognized seats, another is the permitted seats. Some of the colleges, it is only permitted seats is there, which is newly got permitted for PG admissions, and some of the colleges recognized seats is also there along with the permitted seats is there. Regarding that, I want to brief you about the difference between a recognized and permitted seat. Recognized seats means the seat has the college has got the approval of the seat quite long back, and the college is running this PG course for a long time. But permitted means maybe that particular seat or that particular branch has been started this year or maybe previous years or 1 or 2 years back. Generally, this permitted seats for PG got recognized once one batch will come out from that particular college. Give an example. Suppose if a college is starting their branch of any particular branch in the year of 2024. So 24 will be the first batch, 25 will be the second year, 26 will be the third year. So once they will be coming out, then only that particular seat will be recognized. So in Uttar Pradesh private college, two types of seats is there, recognized and permitted. I will be giving you the information for both recognized and permitted seat. First, I will tell you about the FH Medical College in Agra. This college is having only permitted seat. In permitted seat, cutoff was in radiology 38,229. Fee structure is 42,50,000 per year. Venkateshwara Medical College, which is in Amroha, they got just approval for PG admissions, so their seat is permitted. Their cutoff was in permitted cutoff was 28,500. Fee structure is 21,60,946. Hind Medical College, Barabanki, permitted seats for radiology, cutoff was 24,037, fee structure 25,24,901. Mayo Medical College, Barabanki, permitted seats cutoff in round 1 was 29,185 and permitted seats round 2 cutoff was 29,704. Fee structure 20,30,961 per year. Hind Medical College, Sitapur, round 1 permitted cutoff was 25,904. Fee structure 20,40,950. Rajashri Medical College, Berli, round 1 cutoff in permitted 27,523, round 2 cutoff 23,647, fee structure 74,900. Rohilkhand Medical College. Rohilkhand is a reputed deemed private college in Uttar Pradesh. In Rohilkhand, both type of seats is there. Recognized seats is there, permitted seats is there. In round 1, recognized cutoff was 24,388 and permitted cutoff was 31,677. Same in Rohilkhand, round 2 cutoff was in recognized 19,333, round 2 permitted cutoff was 19,555. Fee structure 23,09,009. Most reputed private medical college in Uttar Pradesh is Sri Ramamurthy Sarak Medical College in Berli. In Ramamurthy, both type of seats is there in radiology. Recognized seats is there, permitted seats is also there. In Ramamurthy, round 1, recognized cutoff was 16,843. Round 1 permitted cutoff was 17,634. Round 2 recognized cutoff was 17,328. Round 2 permitted cutoff was 18,902. Fee structure approximately 25 lakhs per annum. Sardar University, which is called School of Medical Science and Research, Greater Noida. This college is also having permitted and recognized both. In round 1, recognized cutoff was 14,562. Round 1 permitted cutoff was 17,014. Round 2 recognized cutoff was 15,058. Permitted was 15,510. Fee structure is around 25 lakhs again. GS Medical College, Hapur, they have permitted seat only. 23,327 was the cutoff. 21,63,946 was the fee structure. Rama Medical College, Hapur, permitted seat 23,410 was the cutoff, and fee structure 20,60,000 per annum. Saraswati Medical College, Hapur, both recognized and permitted seats is there. In round 1, recognized cutoff was 14,562, permitted cutoff was 22,269, fee structure 20,22,000 per year. Rama Medical College, Kanpur, recognized, they have the only permitted seat. 24,123 was the cutoff in permitted. Fee structure 35,000 per year. 21,35,000 per year. Career Institute of Medical Science, Lucknow, they have recognized and permitted both seats. 36,761 was the cutoff rank. 39,90,000 was the fee structure. Era Medical College is having both recognized and permitted seat. Era Medical College recognized cutoff was 32,611. Permitted was 36,889. Fee structure 39,95,000 per year. Subhati Medical College, Meerut, they have only recognized seat. Fee cutoff is 16,781. Fee structure 14,43,744. But this college fees can get revised also because they are asking for the minority status. Tirthankar Medical College, Moradabad, this college is having only recognized seat. They don't have permitted seat. Recognized seat, round 1 cutoff was 35,462. Round 2 cutoff 32,253, and fee structure is 39,90,000 per year. Integral Lucknow, they have only permitted seat. 38,030 was the round 1 cutoff. 31,627 round 2 cutoff. 39,50,000 was the fee structure. TS Mishra, Lucknow, round 1 permitted seat cutoff was 27,082. Fee structure 21,83,000 per year. Next college, KD Mathura. KD Mathura, they have permitted seat. 24,958 was the permitted cutoff. Fee structure 21,63,000 approximately. Muzaffarnagar Medical College, which is also very reputed private medical college in Uttar Pradesh, round 1 cutoff was for recognized seats 17,424. Round 1 permitted cutoff was 18,898, and round 2 recognized cutoff 11,738. Fee structure is 23,23,000 per year. Varun Arjun Medical College, Saharanpur, which has got new seat for PG Medical, permitted. Round 1 cutoff was 32,000 approximately. Round 2 cutoff 28,906. Fee structure 21,63,000. Heritage Varanasi, which is also reputed private college, fee structure 21,12,000 per year, and cutoff rank 26,182. Student, this is all about UP private college cutoff for radiology, MD radiology in permitted and recognized. Fee structure also we have mentioned. See, the advantage in UP is that their fee structure is comparatively very low than other state private college or the deemed university. So the student who are looking for the private college within a limited budget, for example, if your budget is within 25 lakhs per annum, then you can target this UP colleges. If your rank is within the range what I have shown you in the video, then definitely you can target this UP state counseling process. Students, I think this video is beneficial for you to make the choices order. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any query, then you can give this query in a comment sections. Student, thank you so much for watching my video.